Add 150 grams salted cooked chicken breast to a food processor. 3 large eggs. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Blend until you get a smooth, pourable batter. If the batter is too thick, just add a little water. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour a thin layer of batter and quickly spread it like a crepe. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until set. Repeat until you have your tortillas ready. In a pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 chicken breast cut into small pieces. 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup diced green bell pepper. Half teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon thyme. Cook for about 7 minutes until everything is perfectly cooked. Take your tortilla and add a generous layer of grated cheddar cheese. Add the cooked chicken filling. Fold it like a quesadilla. Add a little butter to a pan over medium heat. Place the quesadillas in the pan and cook for about 1 minute per side, until golden and crispy. And just like that, you've got 5 keto low-carb incredibly delicious quesadillas. No flour, no guilt. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See you in the next video.